What's up, people? This is A. Kibaru, your precast concrete manufacturer with a passion for building with modern technology. So today, guys, we are installing a precast wall panel to an affordable unit. This is a 3-bedroom house constructed in Kiambu, and the construction period for the assembly was barely 10 days. So guys, this is the panel. It's usually 2.5 meter in height. It's pre-plastered, meaning you don't need to plaster it in the future. We use click blocks and the H blocks to lock it into place. And as the installation procedure, you need to give it some prop and support on the side. It's very easy to install because they are lightweight. It's about 50 kgs per meter, meaning one panel or 2.5 meter is about 135 kilos. This is the way the installation of conduits, we call them the drops, are installed through the hollow section. You can also cut around with a grinder to have that fixture fixed inside. The plumber also can run the piping across or through the drop method. Simplified. This is taking shape. Remember, guys, installation of such walling take 2 days, unlike the traditional block building, which takes quite some time. You do the partition and you're able to see everything coming up. Then we install a formwork for a product or for a system called a tie beam. This is the tie beam. It has two purposes. It ties the house together, and also it will hold the precast panel as one. So the precast panel is like eventually tied up from above, and then we pour concrete. The tie beam has rebar, is reinforced concrete around the whole house. Anywhere there's a panel, there's a RC tie beam on top. Once you unlock the tie beam, you remove the formwork. Then you're now ready to install the hidden butterfly roofing system. Remember, we are advocating for a roof that is hidden to save you on cost. Thank you for watching.